Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free food on the Domino's app. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys how this works. So basically, you have your points, obviously, and in the mod, you can actually get unlimited points. So as you can see at the moment, I got 50, which is nice, but I feel like I'm a big dog. I need more points, so I'm going to turn on unlimited points and let's see if they go up. So currently, I just got 50, which is cool, but let's see what happens. Do the points increase or do they stay the same? I don't even know. Let's see. I don't see a change, so I guess it doesn't work. Oh my gosh, they're going up. It just changed. Oh my god, wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Again, 58. Oh shit, 60. Woohoo, we can already get that. Dang, dang. 70, bro. Let's aim for like 500 points. I'm not sure what it does, honestly, but okay, bro. It's already at 100, bro. I had 60. That is not. I'm not buying anything. The only way to get points is to buy stuff. So yeah, this is a modded app. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this so you can have free points on Domino's. So if you're broke, if you don't want to spend, whatever your case is, it's easy. So just go on to tweakmod.com and type Domino's and then press install in the mod. And now the final step is the verification. This is going to be downloading 2 different apps, free apps from the App Store and like doing something on the app. So it might be staying on the app for 30 seconds. It might be playing a game to level 10. Regardless, the only way you're getting the Domino's mod is passing that verification. It's the way they have it set up and it's easy to do. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, shouldn't take that long. So yeah, we should be all set, guys. So let's see what happens. All right, so now we're on the page and it says missing files. So basically what we have to do is download 2 of these apps. These are all free apps. They're from the App Store. So for instance, Family Island is a game and it says I got to reach level 11. Okay, so I'm going to download it, reach level 11. Then they got Travel Town's another game, reach level 9. Then they got TikTok, down and run for 30 seconds. But that one might not work because I think a lot of you people already got TikTok on your phone. So if that's the case, I don't know how that works. But just make sure you get 2 of the apps. And then tweakmod.com, bro. That's the website where you can download this. So try it out, bro. It's so crazy.